Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're covering some fantastic iRobot Prime Day deals. Huge shout out to iRobot for sponsoring today's video and bringing us some incredible discounts on their popular Roomba and Braava models. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First up, we have the Roomba 692, a reliable RoboVac that will keep your floors clean. Originally priced at $279.99, it's now available for an incredible $164.99, saving you a whopping $115. That's a discount of 41%. Next, we have the i4 Evo. This vacuum is building upon the success of the 692. The i4 Evo offers intelligent mapping technology and an upgraded AeroForce cleaning system. This robot will ensure a thorough cleaning experience for your entire home. Previously priced at $399.99, it's now available for an incredible $199.99, giving you a massive 50% discount of $200. Yes, you heard me correctly, 50% off. You can also upgrade to the i4 Plus Evo if you want a self-emptying base. Usually priced at $649.99, it's now available for just $349.99, giving you a massive discount of $300 or 46% off. Let me interject right here too. Once you use a self-emptying base, it's hard to go back to a vacuum without it. Looking for maybe a more premium option? The Roomba J6 Plus is an excellent choice. Packed with advanced features like pet waste and cord avoidance, self-emptying, and keep-out zones, this robot takes cleaning to the next level. Usually priced at $799.99, you can grab it for just $499.99, saving you a generous $300 or 38% off. Now let's go ahead and talk about the ultimate cleaning companion. This is the Roomba S9 Plus. This is my personal favorite Roomba. This features 40 times the cleaning power of the 600 series models, a unique corner cleaning design, and keep out zones. This robot will tackle any mess in its path. Originally priced at $999.99, it's now available for just $599.99, giving you an astounding $400 discount or 40% off. Also, if you need a mopping assistant, the Braava Jet M6 in black or graphite is the way to go. This smart robot mop can team up with other Prime Day deals such as the Roomba i4 or i4 Plus Evo, J6 Plus, and S9 Plus to efficiently mop after your Roomba does its thing. Originally priced at $499.99, you can grab it for $299.99, saving you a significant amount of money, $200 or 40% off. And don't worry, for our budget-conscious viewers out there, we have the Roomba 676. This affordable option still delivers excellent cleaning results at a very, very competitive price. Previously priced at $269.99, you can now get it for just $149.99, saving you a fantastic $120 or 44% off. But wait, there's more! If you already own a Roomba, make sure to stock up on your replacement essentials. The Series Replenishment Kit, which includes replacement filters and brushes, is now available for just $29.99. That's down from $64.99, a massive discount of $35 or 54% off. They also have the 600 series replenishment kit on sale too. Originally priced at $44.99, you can now get it for just $17.99, saving you $27 or a staggering 60% off. These deals are only available for a limited time, so don't miss out on these incredible savings. Use the links in the description to grab your favorite iRobot device today. Happy Prime Day and see you in the next video.